Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we have the Quntis LED solar spotlights. These are for outdoor, they are waterproof. There are two in this box, but you can buy four if you wish. For two it's £18.66. For four it's £36.89. I've got a 10% discount code that I'll put in the description below. This is on Amazon, by the way. They do have a website, Quntis.com, if you want to visit there, and I'll give you a discount code for that website. Now, Moo over at Quntis.com, he sent me a few items in the past to do videos on, and he asked me if I want to test these out on video, and I said yeah. Now, I've not opened it until now. By the way, actually, it came in this Amazon box, which is clearly far too big for it, which is typical of Amazon. I'm just going to open it up, see what's inside. Straight away we have some instructions. There's some screws, because you can mount these to a wall or wherever you want to mount them to. If you don't want to mount them to a wall, you can use these stakes and stick them in the ground. Here's one of the LED lamps. As you can see, you can angle it whichever way you want. Solar powered, obviously. I don't know if I mentioned that or not, but yeah, the solar powered. Quite big solar panels. Now, on the back of these LED lights, there is an on button, and the way it works is you'll press it once for 50% brightness, then through the night it will last up to 12 hours. But if you press it twice, it will give you 100% brightness, and that lasts for around 6 hours apparently. These need to be in sunlight for 5 to 6 hours to gain a full charge. So yeah, 1 sec. Now they come turned off for obvious reasons. So we just press it once. Give me a moment. And we just cover up the solar panel. It has a sensor on there that knows when it's gone dark. When we do that, you can see the light comes on. Sorry if that's a bit bright. So that's 50% brightness, and then if we press it again, that's full brightness. Just check that the other one's working as well. Press it once. Yep. Press it again. Yep, clearly working. And like I say, you can rotate these 110 degrees, which is really handy. You can mount it to a wall if you wish, or you can simply use one of the stakes, push that into the ground, and then you can angle it however you please, which is really handy actually. I like that feature. Oh yeah, we have this dial here. You can tighten the screw so that it stays where you've positioned it. So yeah, I think that's it. There's not much else to explain. They are waterproof. They automatically turn themselves on and off. They are ultra bright. They have optical lens design. They last up to 12 hours depending on which brightness setting you've set. And yeah, there's really not much else to say. I know it's a bit dark right now, but bear with me. I've come to the conclusion that I don't really have anywhere to put these spotlights in my garden. A couple of reasons. I can't put them in the ground because our dog likes to pee on absolutely everything in the garden. Anything that's low down at least. And alongside our home there is an alleyway where there is a lamp post. So when these run at night, you can't really see how effective they are because of the light from the lamppost. So what I've done is I've come up into the loft, into the children's loft, and I'm just going to demonstrate the light in the loft cupboard. One moment. So as you can see, it's pitch black there. Just excuse me a moment. Turn it on. You can see it's pretty bright. You press it again, so even brighter. As you can see, that has gone brighter. It's pretty bright. A lot of spiders in here. Luckily I'm not afraid of them, like all the women in this house. So yeah, you can see how bright they are there. It's unfortunate I don't really have a place to put them so you can see how effective they are in the yard, but you can see how bright it is. They are definitely bright enough to cover a lawn, for example. And I mean, they're pretty good as security lights as well, actually. I did place one on top of the shed in my garden, and it does shine down the side of the house where there's a gate. But like I say, you can't really see how effective it actually is on camera because of the lamppost that's there as well in the side alley. So yeah, hopefully you can see how bright that is. It is bright. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.